Okay, here's the Kamvas 13 pen display. This thin slab of plastic used for digital art is pretty lightweight. Light also diffuses well on its anti-glare coating. Here are the two USB-C ports where you plug in the 3-in-1 cable and the USB-C. There are also shortcut buttons on the left side. I rarely use it, but it's set up in the driver software. Here's the 3-in-1 cable. This has two USB-A plugs and an HDMI on one end, and the L-shaped USB-C to connect to the pen display. You have to download the drivers first for you to use the stylus. The system will immediately recognize the display though. This is it. The setup is really simple. Pen display is really portable. It's something that I've been wanting for a while, especially now that we're all working from home. This cable is nice, but there's an even better solution. A USB-C single connection. Your cable should be USB-C to USB-C, which delivers data, video, and power to the device. Luckily, my laptop has one of those Thunderbolt ports, and it should be good to work on this. Before I plug it in, the USB-C port is inside this narrow socket, and if the USB-C plug itself has a thick protective cover, then you're out of luck. You'll have to make sure that you look at the cables carefully. I bought 3 cables and 2 of them didn't fit. I lucked out on this one that I got from Amazon for less than $10. Huion sells them for $40 and the cable was not included in my review unit. And it works. The USB-C single connection is a dream. It's more portable because you'll only have to bring one cable with you and not worry about a power socket or running out of a USB-A port. Here's the stand from my Kamvas Pro 16. My Kamvas 13 did not include a stand, but it's an add-on when you decide to purchase the pen display. Final thoughts. The pen display is amazing. I can't say it's perfect, but it's almost there. Most of my nitpicks are just for the peripherals and not the tablet itself. Can't go wrong for $250. If you need the stand, make sure you add it. If you want the single USB-C, you'll have to really look for a cheaper alternative. But if you don't have patience to look for the right USB-C cable and you have an extra $40 to spare, get the USB-C cable. Alright, that's it for me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying this long and have a great day.